Welcome to Maranello. This is the birth of the ultimate hypercar, the R-adapted Ferrari F80. Prepare to see perfection engineered from absolute zero. It begins with a single thread. Thousands of aerospace-grade carbon fiber strands are woven together to form the hypercar's ultra-lightweight spine. Baked under extreme pressure and heat, the carbon molecules lock together. The result is a chassis stronger than steel, yet light as a feather.
Every millimeter is scanned by advanced blue lasers. If it isn't absolutely flawless, it doesn't move to the next stage.
Next, raw aluminum alloy is sculpted by computer-guided blades. This is the birth of the F80's high-revving internal combustion core.
The forged crankshaft and titanium pistons are hand-fitted. Every clearance is checked manually to ensure minimal friction at 9,000 RPM.
Precision robotics install the valves. This allows the F80's engine to breathe efficiently, mixing air and fuel at lightning speeds. To unleash monstrous power, twin turbochargers are bolted on. They are engineered to force massive amounts of oxygen into the combustion chambers. Ferrari's Formula One hybrid technology steps in. An electric motor is coupled directly to the engine for instant, lag-free throttle response. The lightning-fast dual-clutch transmission is locked into the powertrain. Gear shifts here happen in less than a blink of an eye. The massive powertrain is permanently united with the carbon fiber chassis. The beating heart has found its home. Low center of gravity is key. The high-density hybrid battery is sealed deep inside the chassis floor for optimal weight distribution. To stop a missile, you need carbon ceramic power. These massive brakes can withstand temperatures over 1,000 degrees.
Miles of complex wiring are woven through the body. This is the nervous system, connecting the engine to the central computer brain.
Keeping the monster cool. High-performance radiators are angled precisely to handle the intense thermal load of the hybrid powertrain. The legendary Rosso Corsa yellow. Multiple micro-layers of paint are atomized to give the F80 its deep, lustrous, emotional glow. A protective clear coat is sealed and hand-polished. The surface becomes a mirror, sculpted to cut through the air. The fighter jet-inspired windscreen is lowered into place. This glass can withstand extreme aerodynamic forces at top speed. Inside, the driver-focused cockpit takes shape. The digital dashboard and racing steering wheel are connected to put absolute control in your hands. The racing buckets are bolted directly to the chassis for maximum feel. 5-point harnesses lock the pilot into the heart of the action. Underneath, a flat floor and massive rear diffuser are mounted. This creates a vacuum effect, sucking the car to the tarmac. The final connection to Earth. Ultralight carbon wheels and bespoke racing tires are secured with a single center-lock nut. From a blank sheet of carbon to the king of the track, the Ferrari F80 is alive. Experience the future of hyper-performance.